Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, should the international community impose sanctions on Israel for its action in Palestinian territory? To start with, it is clear that there is no good reason why Israel should not be under sanctions, because sanctions are used to respond to violations of international law, and Israel has violated it many times. Why is it not sanctioned yet? Imposing sanctions on Israel for its action in Palestinian territory is a hotly debated topic. Some people argue that sanctions are necessary to pressure Israel to respect Palestinian rights and comply with international laws. They believe sanctions could help end what they see as unfair treatment and settlement building in Palestinian areas. Because of Israel's continuous annexation, illegal military occupation, and apartheid regime of racial discrimination, segregation, and territorial expansion that is codified in Israeli domestic law, the international community must consequently apply legal, targeted, and immediate penalties on Israel. Israel seeks to maintain its impunity and quell international mobilizations that have forced the international community to think about accountability measures by remaining silent. Israel is aware, after all, that its colonization, apartheid, and de facto and de jure annexation of Palestinian territory have been made possible for decades by the atmosphere of international complicity and lack of responsibility. Others believe sanctions would unfairly harm Israel's citizens and worsen the conflict. They argue that dialogue and negotiation are better ways to achieve peace and fairness for both Israelis and Palestinians. And if I am going to give a thought about these question, my answer would definitely be yes. The international community should impose sanctions on Israel because I believe that it is right and just. Sanctions can push Israel to respect Palestinian rights and follow international laws. They might help stop unfair treatment and settlement building in Palestinian areas. However, international community should consider that sanctions might harm regular Israeli people and make the conflict worse. They could create more tension instead of solving problems. In conclusion, while sanctions could promote justice, they might also increase suffering. Balancing these outcomes is crucial for a fair and lasting peace. Overall, the decision to impose sanctions is complex and involves weighing the desire for justice and peace against the potential risk of increased tension and suffering. Thank you.